Alright, you've got a Crown Focus kit, but you're not getting any sound out no matter what you do. Unless there's actually something wrong with the wiring. It's probably pretty straightforward. I find that sometimes I bump the mode button here, so pressing that will flick your unit through the different audio inputs into the AV system. And if you keep pressing it, I'm still pressing it, eventually, probably this one I think, that's radio, that's a different radio. There we go, there's my music playing again. The other way to do that would be to get out of Android Auto, go into your radio settings, top left, that's this one up here, and just make sure that you're on aux down the bottom. If you go to any of the others, it's the same as pressing the mode button. You'll see it cycle through. So it's just a matter of doing that until it gets back to aux, and then you're good. Long press, go back into Android Auto, and fingers crossed that's all you need. Enjoy.